Hello! The Mid-Autumn Festival is around the corner. Today I'm going to show you how to make the popular mooncake with custard and lava yolk. Let's look at the ingredients. You may find a complete list of ingredients in instruction by clicking the little arrow in description. Let's prepare the lava yolk first. Chinese grocery stores carry cooked salted eggs. Blend the egg yolks into a paste first. So mix tapioca starch, custard powder, sugar, salt, and water together. Add melted butter, then mix it well and pour it into a small pot. Cook the mixture under low heat. Continue to cook and stir until there's bubbles forming on the edge. Do not overcook. The mixture should be a little bit thicker but still runny. Add the salted yolk paste and mix well. Pour the mixture onto a piece of plastic wrap. Wrap the mixture. Push and roll the mixture to form a tube. Tighten the ends. Keep it in the freezer for overnight. Remove the mixture from freezer and divide it into smaller cubes weight about 5 to 6 grams each. Wrap 5 pieces at a time. Leave 1-inch space between each other. Freeze for another 24 hours. Let's prepare the custard now. Beat whipping cream until firm. Mix sugar, melted butter, salty yolks, and condensed milk together. Whisk into a smooth paste. Add whipping cream into the mixture. Beat to mix. Mix flour, powdered milk, custard powder, and salt together. Add to the whipped cream mixture and continue to beat. Until the mixture becomes smooth and thick. Pour into a shallow plate and steam for 25 minutes. The custard will become solid. Cool it down and refrigerate for 4 hours or overnight. Remove the custard from fridge. Knead the custard briefly. Divide the custard into 24 pieces, each weigh about 24 grams. Roll each into a ball. Remove 5 lava cubes from freezer at a time and place them on a piece of ice block. Wrap 1 lava cube with 1 portion of custard, placing the lava cubes on ice block to prevent them from melting quickly. Close the opening securely and roll it into a ball. Finish the 24 portions and keep them in freezer for 20 minutes. Let's prepare the crust now. Sift icing sugar, custard powder, flour, and salt together. Add butter. Break the butter into smaller pieces. Use a pastry blender or fork to mix until the mixture becomes crumbly. Add evaporated milk and egg. Press to form a dough. Do not overmix or knead, otherwise the crust will become stiff. Wrap and refrigerate for half an hour. Divide the dough into 24 portions, each weigh about 25 grams. Work with 8 balls at a time and refrigerate rest to prevent the dough becomes soft. Flatten each crust ball and wrap one custard ball with one crust ball. Push the crust to the top and close securely. Roll each into a ball. Finish all 24 portions. Dust cake mold with flour. Place the first cake into the mold. We'll work on the cakes in a sequence to make sure the filling wouldn't be frozen hard. Press the cake slightly, but don't overpress. Apply a bit pressure towards the mold while releasing the cake on parchment paper-lined baking tray. Refrigerate the cakes for 30 minutes. Preheat convection oven to 500 Fahrenheit. Place the tray of cakes on another baking tray to prevent overheating the bottom of cakes while baking. Convection bake for 6 minutes at 470 Fahrenheit. Mix 1 beaten egg yolk with a spoon of evaporated milk for topping, and also the sugar water. Brush the egg yolk mixture onto the cakes and wait for 8 minutes. Brush another layer of egg yolk, then convection bake for 3 minutes at 450 Fahrenheit. Remove from oven and brush top with sugar water. The yummy mooncakes are ready to serve now. Let's cut up one piece. See the lava yolk inside? It's super yummy. Enjoy the mooncakes with your family and friends during the Mid-Autumn Festival.